Hi guys, I'm Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. So schools are starting and with it comes kids' tiffins. So today I'm going to show you guys a healthy snack recipe which is whole wheat muffins. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl we'll be taking 100 ml of buttermilk. Then we'll be adding in a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of oil. Mix this together with a whisk. Now we'll sift in our dry ingredients. I've taken 3/4 cup of wheat flour. Then I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half tablespoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and half cup jaggery powder. We need to sift our flour to make it light and airy so that our muffins become soft and spongy. Now we'll mix this with the help of a spatula. Next we'll be adding in 50 grams of melted chocolate. We'll add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and we'll be adding in half a cup of chocolate chips. Let's mix this. Our batter is ready to be poured in the muffin tins. With the help of a spoon, I'll scoop out the batter. The batter is approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just ensure that you fill only 3/4 of your paper cups so that while baking your muffins don't overspill. Now we'll be sprinkling some chopped walnuts on top of this. This will add some crunch to your muffin. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and now the muffins will go in for baking for around 25 to 30 minutes. Our healthy muffins are now ready. Let them cool down for about 15 minutes before you start binging on them. So do try this healthier version of muffins and let us know in the comment section below.